Your email welcome series can be one of the most efficient tools in your digital marketing arsenal. It introduces new users to your brand, nurtures them throughout the series, and generates both revenue and conversions.
But the hardest part is knowing where to start. We'll walk you through the design, setup, and reporting for your welcome series.
To begin creating your series, think of your content as an introduction to your brand. What do you want your new subscribers to know about you?
One great place for inspiration is your FAQs. What are people already asking you?
But in addition to your FAQs, you want to highlight your social media channels and encourage users to update their email preferences. This will drive engagement and help you segment them in the future.
That can be a lot of content. So we recommend starting with 3 emails in your series. You can always expand from there.
Once you have your email content, you can move on to setup. In most cases, you should have your first email send immediately without any added delay. You want to capitalize on that new subscriber interest.
And no one wants to wait for a coupon.
You'll also want to create a dynamic list of all your current users in your series and suppress them from your other sends. You're guiding users down a path to get to know you. And you don't want to overload them with too many emails.
And if you're looking to get more advanced, you can even branch your welcome series to provide content tailored to your audience. For example, a clothing store might have different paths for those interested in women's, men's, or kids' products.
Finally, once you're done with your welcome series, don't forget to track success. Your welcome emails will likely have some of the best open rates of your whole email marketing program.
So take advantage of this and continue to test and update your content frequently.
We hope this helps you get your welcome series up and going. For more tips and tricks, or if you'd like to have someone else do the heavy lifting, visit wpromote.com.